Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Make an iCloud or iTunes backup now so you can undo mistakes. Once backed up, open contacts and scan for duplicates or missing fields. This is where errors usually hide. Tap a suspect contact to inspect details, because inconsistent labels or country codes often break matching. Next, use the search bar to find potential duplicates by name, number, or email, and prepare to merge or edit entries so syncing will succeed across devices. Once you've located duplicates, start merging. Tap Edit, then adjust name formatting and standardize phone numbers with country codes so systems recognize them. Use link contacts or the add field option to consolidate emails, notes, and addresses under one record. This prevents future split entries. As you merge, remove obsolete or empty contacts to reduce clutter, and make sure to save after each change so iCloud or your account can resync. This keeps a single master contact per person and improves lookup reliability. You finish by forcing a sync to push changes. Go to Settings, Contacts, Accounts, then toggle contacts off and on for the relevant account. When prompted, choose to keep contacts locally and then merge. If contacts still won't appear, confirm you're signed into the correct iCloud or third-party account and check available storage. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone and, as a last resort, restore from the backup you made. This recovers data and undoes accidental deletions without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.